Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to compare CoinRabbit versus other crypto loan platform. When evaluating crypto lending platforms, consider these main factors. First is the collateral support. How many cryptocurrencies you can use as collateral matters. More supported assets greater flexibility for your portfolio. Some platforms support only BTC, ETH, while others allow hundreds of tokens. And higher LTV means you can borrow more against the same amount of collateral. In order to check it, go to this loans on the left hand side over here. Over here, you can also find the collateral. You can also switch to the external wallet. And over here, you can also select to this LTV here. And a platform with a high maximum LTV lets you unlock more liquidity, but also increases liquidation risk. Higher LTV means you can borrow more against the same amount of collateral. And you can also check the speed and the process, how quickly you receive the funds after applying minutes versus hours, where the credit checks or the extensive KYC are required, and check for the interest rate as well. Over here on the bottom, which is the APR charge on the loans, upfront fees or the origination fees. Some platforms offer loyalty tiers or the token discounts as well. And check for the fixed loan flexibility, fixed repayment terms versus open-ended loans, repay anytime, mobile access, multilingual support, 24/7 human support as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.